Hi, my name is Marta Fondo and I'm the coordinator of this intercultural exchange project. First of all, I want to welcome you all and I really hope you enjoy and have fun during these next 2 months and you make the most of the experience and the opportunity of learning from different cultures, of learning about business all around the world and many things you will find and discover during these projects. Well, to help you out a little with the first steps in the project, I'm going to guide you briefly and show you what you have to do to start your speaking practice and then how everything is going to work. Well, the first thing you have to do is to indicate your availability to meet online with your partner during these projects. You will see that we have pushed 1 week in March, but it's just the sample to indicate your regular availability for the next 2 months. So for instance, I am always available on Mondays at 8 and 9 in the morning. So I will put it here. I'm always also available on Wednesdays at lunchtime, so at 1 and at 2. And then I'm also always available on Saturdays in the morning because I don't work. So I will indicate here that Saturdays morning, 9, 10, 11 until 2, I'm always available. Okay? So then we will find someone compatible with you with the same timetable. So it will be easier for you to find common time to meet online. Well, once you have indicated your availability in this doodle, then you have to create your account in Zoom. Zoom is the video conferencing tool we're going to use. It is online. So if you Google it, you will find the website here, zoom.us, and then you only have to register. Okay, so you put here your email account, you create your username and your password. It is for free. So you will also download the software, so you will have it on your computer, tablet, or phone, would you prefer? Well, once we have found you a partner, you will get an email like this one, introducing each other. Okay, so we will say like, hello, this is your partner, then you will have each other's email, and you can start planning your first meeting online. And then please email me like, hi Marta, we are going to meet on Tuesday, 11th, for instance, okay, at 6. So you send me the email and then you will receive an email back like this one, saying like, thanks very much for letting me know where are you going to meet. Then I will give you the username and the password for this session if it's required. If not, I will tell you, okay, you use your username and your password, your own account for this session, okay? It will be very easy and everything will be explained in the email. And you will also get the link to the task you have to do in this session. It will be the same in every session you are going to do. So you will get the email for the session 2, 3, 4, okay? Well, when you click on this link, you will get to a slideshare, okay? And you will find the task here. So, very important, you have to record the sessions. It's very easy on Zoom. You can explore how works Zoom. You also have loads of tutorials online, super easy. You will find a red button to record the session. It is the way we have to know that you have done the speaking practice, okay? So please record it. If not, we don't have proof of your work. Thank you. Huh? Well, when you are going to meet, you have this task and you also have to start your Zoom meeting, okay? So you go there, you log in, and then you start using Zoom. It's super easy. It's user-friendly 100%. So this is my account, my meetings, okay? Everything here. So I can be the hoster, I can host the meeting, or I can join a meeting. This is something you will decide between you two who invites each other, okay? Well, when we do the tasks, we will have the instructions. If the instructions are in English, the task will be carried out in English. If the instructions are in Spanish, it's time to practice Spanish. And then you will find these questionnaires here. Okay. It is a link to these questionnaires here. Okay. So every time you finish a task, you will answer very quickly a very short questionnaire. This is the way we have to know how this task was, if you liked it or not. Okay. And then you come back to the task and you keep carrying out the task. Okay. It is very, very easy. Well, you see now it's not working. You refresh. It can happen because it's a website. So you refresh and then you get to the task again. The only thing is that you have to start from scratch, but you forward, you go to the slide you were, okay? And then this is the link to the forms. Then you do the form, and then you come back to the slideshare slide, and then you keep practicing, okay? So you have reflection questions, and then here is time for English, okay? You carry out your task in English, then you have this form again, more reflections, and then it's to tell us how was the whole session, the practice you had, okay? When you have finished, please send me an email to tell me that you have done this first, second, third session, and maybe I will ask you to send me the recordings. Or if you have used the username and the password I provided, the one we have in the university instead of your personal account in Zoom, then everything will be recorded on the cloud. So you have to do nothing but recording your session, okay? I will give you all the instructions pretty detailed, and it will be very, very easy to do, so don't you worry. And well, the only thing that I have to say is that I really hope you enjoy these projects and this exchange. And please email me if you have any question, if you need anything from me. And I hope you find it very easy to do step by step. So hope to see you soon, or here for you. And best of luck. So bye and thanks.